So today I'll be showing you how to make a fruit smoothie, a tropical fruit smoothie. So it's just 1 cup. I already portioned this out and I put it in the freezer. So, and then is 1/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. 1/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt and 1/2 cup of milk. It's that simple. So in my fruit smoothie bag, I have strawberries, pineapples, grapes, peaches, and that's it. So all I do is I take my magic bullet and I put the fruits in. Then I take 1/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. This is vanilla flavor. So the Greek yogurt is what's gonna really make it thick and creamy. And 1/2 cup of milk. So I let this sit for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and I shake it up and I flip it upside down. Now it will thaw just enough to blend very smoothly. So give it a quick little shake. Shake, 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 shake. And you just blend it.